Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a very cool ultra portable monitor from Wimaxit. This was sent to me like around 3 weeks ago and I've been using it since then, testing it with my consoles, my computer, my cell phones, and I've done videos for Wimaxit portable monitors before, but this one is really nice and that's one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and try it out and make a video for you guys, because compared to the other ones, this one is smaller, but it's not only smaller, it is super thin as hell. And the price for it's not that bad. It's around $169. So in my opinion, that's pretty good for the type of quality monitor you're getting here. So first of all, let's go and show you guys the boxing here. It has a 13.3 inch IPS screen, 1080p Full HD, of course, USB-C ports, HDMI ports it has, and of course power deliver. You can deliver power to it via cable, USB, and so on and so on. Over here it says the same thing and nothing more. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Of course, just like always, I use my products and I put it back in the box. That way you have an idea what to expect when you get it through the mail. So this is the monitor. Just gonna put it to the side, and here you have a couple cables included, which is good that they always, no matter what monitor I've done, they always include all the cables necessary. So here you got USB-C to USB-C. Here you got USB. Now this one right here is HDMI to mini HDMI port. The mini HDMI port is because the monitor actually has two ports of this, and this cable, of course, you can connect it to any HDMI device. And of course, the last cable that you have is a USB-C to USB type A cable there, and you have a cleaning cloth, and that's it. But other than that, that's all you need for this monitor. Let's go ahead and show you guys the monitor. It comes with a back cover, which you will actually use as a kickstand as well, or tent mode, because this is the only way you can actually stand this monitor is via a tent mode like this. Over here in the back, let's go and show you guys. You got the two speakers available there, stereo, like you see there. Here you have a little information if you want to pause the video, a little information about this device. 1080p, USB-C only or HDMI. You got the model, 13.3 IPS. Power consumption, 12 watts only. And that's it. And what I really loved about it is that look how thin this monitor is. I'm telling you guys, in person, having this in your hands feels so incredible because it's so thin. Look how thin that thing is. You got two HDMI ports. You got two USB-C ports. One USB-C is for power. The other USB-C port, you can use it to connect it to another computer and use it as a second screen. You can also connect your cell phone over here as well. If you have like a Samsung smartphone or Huawei smartphone, they will be compatible with this monitor. I also use it with my Nintendo Switch, and I connected it right here directly, and I don't need a dock, which is awesome. That's one thing that I really like about this monitor. And over here, of course, you got a headphone jack just in case you want to put headphones or you want to put external speakers. You can plug it right there. And over here in the bottom, you're gonna have these rubber tabs. That way your monitor, when you're using it, they won't slip. But one thing that I noticed is that this rubber actually got loose, and I'm gonna have to fix it there with a little bit glue or something like that, because they actually, I guess the way they placed it here was not like this one. It should have been placed like that. And you see it's placed a little bit off to the left. So that I'm gonna have to fix it, but no big deal as long as you don't lose that. And here it is, the monitor. It's going to take it out. It comes with this plastic on the top, and there it is. Now, one thing you're going to notice right away is that this monitor, it is a very glossy IPS screen. Yes, it is. A lot of people do like matte screens, like myself, because matte screens, you know, prevent glaring. It's not touchscreen as well, so this is not actually meant to be touching the screen. And like I said, I don't know if I mentioned the price, but the price is $169 or $168. Let's go and show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here to my Nintendo Switch. And I'm going to plug the top cable, right? The top port, I'm going to plug it to the Switch. And the bottom port, I'm going to plug it to a battery charger right here. So you guys can see that you can charge it with a battery charger. So I can go ahead and plug it here to the other port, just like that. I'm gonna plug it over here to the battery charger. There you go. Battery charger, turn it on. There you go. The monitor turns on automatically there. But since there's nothing, no video attached to it, or video device attached to it, it's gonna say no signal, and it's gonna turn off. It's gonna go to power saving mode, and it's actually gonna turn off. It's gonna put that to the side like that. But if I plug in here the Nintendo Switch, just like that, no docks whatsoever, make sure the screen is actually on. There you go. Look at that. Just like that. And believe me, guys, this does not damage the Nintendo Switch. I've been using the Nintendo Switch connected to the screen a lot for a long time, and I've used the Nintendo Switch to other screen monitor that has the same ability. I played for hours, and I've done the same thing to other monitors, and this does not affect the Nintendo Switch at all. So all you have to do is just take another controller, because right now when you have it plugged in like that, you can't actually use the controls of your Nintendo Switch. You're gonna have to use an external controls just like this right here, and use the Nintendo Switch like that. So, but what's cool is, you know, it's so cool that a monitor like this, you can actually hook it up to any device, whatsoever, and use it as an external monitor. Like you're gonna see here on the video, I did use it to play video games here on the Nintendo Switch, a whole bunch of games. I also, right here, I'm on this boss right here, so let's get out of here. Let's get out of there. So, you know, what's cool about this thing is that you can hook it up to any monitor. It's going to show you guys so you can hear the volume. There you go. Haha! Look at that. That looks so cool. And over here on the side, see over here on the side, this is going to show you guys. I really didn't show you. But here on the sides, you have the buttons available for this monitor. You got input. If you click input, it's going to switch between both HDMIs and the USB-C. You got menu, you got the volume up and volume down, and you got the power button. So if you want to turn it off from here, you can turn it off right there. It also has a micro USB-C, something that I never seen on monitors. And apparently this, you can actually use it to connect like a mouse or a keyboard or any device that is OTG compliant. You can go ahead and connect it here and use it with the monitor if you want. Of course, let's go and show you guys. I'm going to pause this. I'll get out of here so I can show you guys the menu. So here you have a couple options you can actually mess with. For example, here you got the HDR mode on auto. Right now I have it on auto. You got auto power down. Right now here you got languages. You could change it. You could change the transparency of that menu. Color temperature, you can control the color temperature there and set your own as well. Here you got aspect ratio, wide, or it actually changes to squarish. You got brightness levels, contrast level, black levels, and eco, DCR, and sharpness. And here you got signal type source, low blue light, volume, FreeSync. I have it on. And so on. Tap right there. I can go ahead and switch between the screen modes. You got movie mode, you got text mode, FPS, RTS, and standard. Right now, you got game as well. But right now, for me, so far, I like how it looks in RTS. That's why I have it there. But of course, you can put it in whatever mode you want. And that's it. So, of course, you got the volume button right here, volume button down, volume button up, and you can turn it off from there as well if you want. But other than that, guys, you know, there's not that much to show you guys from this monitor because, like I said, I've done videos for monitors like this before. The only difference from this monitor to the other one is that this one is not touchscreen, right? This one is not touchscreen, and this one is a glossy screen instead of having a matte screen, which is going to be a problem maybe for some people. But for me, I think the fact that it's glossy, I think it makes the colors look a little bit more sharper and more brighter. So I think for me, maybe that's the reason why I really like the way everything looks on the screen, because like you see here on the video, I tested with my PlayStation 4. I played a whole bunch of video games and it looks really cool. And the cool thing is that you can put it on the console, and this is so light light that it's not gonna put any weight whatsoever on the console, because the weight of this device is only 1.8 pounds. It's only 60 hertz, but you know, most devices right now, like the console, home consoles, are actually doing just 60 hertz. Of course, the fact that it has 2 HDMI, that might be good for some people. The fact that you can use the Nintendo Switch if you want to use it on an external monitor, that you want to have this little screen, tiny screen in your bag, that's freaking awesome. And of course, like you see here on the video, I also tested out with a smartphone, Samsung smartphone with Samsung DeX. And you know, the smartphone recognizes the screen really fast, and it connects to Samsung DeX really fast, and you can use it like that as well. So guys, of course, I'm going to be leaving links in my description just in case you're interested in getting one of these screens, or you want to read a little bit more about these screens. But I gotta say, I am really impressed how cool this screen actually looks, because it is so damn thin. It is so damn thin. The size is really cool. It's 13.3. It's not too big. It's not too thick. So when you put it on a bag, it's actually not gonna feel like it's there, because it's thinner than most laptops that you can find in the market. So most likely, if you have a laptop, most likely this thing is way more thinner than your laptop. Like I said, I've been using it a lot with video games, and then like you see here on the screen, I'm gonna be showing you guys some gameplay with the Nintendo Switch and the PlayStation 4. But other than that, guys, I just want to share this video with you guys, because this screen was sent to me a couple weeks ago, and I decided to go ahead and make a video for you guys, because I know a lot of people are actually gonna like a screen that is very thin, very light, and it's not too expensive as well. Only $168, and with the holidays coming around the corner, you might find this even cheaper. So I'm gonna leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting one of these, or you know, getting a little bit more information about these screens. So I'm gonna leave some affiliate links in the description. So thanks for watching this video, and let me know what you think about it. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.